Hey guys, this is Matt with Push Focus, and today's quick tip is how to use Premiere Pro's audio time units and also when to use it. So whenever you edit a song and you can't get it to cut right due to having to work in the video's frame rate, audio time units should be able to help. They can be turned on from the 3 bars next to the sequence name or from right-clicking at the top of the timeline. Once they're enabled, you can zoom in farther on the timeline and you can edit the audio in a lot more precise way. As a side note though, this won't affect your video files as those are locked to the frame rate of the sequence. Also, if you're using the Add Edit shortcut with an audio track selected, it will still make the cut on the closest frame, so you'll have to drag the end of the clip to where you want it. Then when you're done editing the audio though, you can just simply go back to the top and click Audio Time Units again to disable it. At Push Focus, the main way we've used this is when matching downbeats on audio tracks, for example, you can be a lot more precise and make sure they match up perfectly instead of having to just try to get it to the closest frame. Make sure to leave a comment on how this helped you and like and subscribe to Push Focus for more tips on video production, animation, and design.